Hi, this is Sarah with PopRentals.com. Another unbeatable location in downtown Asheville is 80 North Lexington. 4 unique, individualized apartments await for your stay. On Lexington Avenue, right above Earth Magic and Royal Peasantry, are 4 apartments, each 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 2 overlooking North Lexington Avenue, and the other 2 are right off of Chicken Alley, a pedestrian-only, quiet, low-traffic, very colorful alley. North Lexington Avenue, Chicken Alley, and Carolina Lane were once home to the farmers and growers of Western North Carolina that brought all of their produce and livestock to downtown Asheville. Now is the center of all things trendy and artsy and quintessential Asheville. Some of the best local shops you'll find in downtown Asheville are right here on Lexington Avenue. If you want to learn about this property and many other amazing downtown properties, visit us at poprentals.com.